Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk UC. We're so happy you're here with us today. Get cozy, relax, and enjoy today's slow, natural English conversation.
Hi, everybody. Great to see you. Today, we're talking about something we all use every day, transportation.
Yes, how we move around the city, how we travel, how we commute, and of course, the funny things that happen along the way.
And trust me, I have many funny travel stories.
Section 1. How we usually travel. So, Jack, let's start simple. How do you usually get around the city?
Hmm, honestly, mostly I take the bus. My car is, how do I say this nicely? A little bit tired.
Tired? What does that mean?
It makes strange noises, it complains, it takes long breaks. Basically, it has the personality of a very old man.
Poor car. But buses are nice, usually.
Usually, yes. Except last week when I waited 25 minutes and the bus never came.
Never came? What did you do?
I walked home and it started raining. Very dramatically.
Like a movie scene? Section 2. Emma's main transportation. I usually walk everywhere. I love walking. It's peaceful, healthy, and free.
Until it rains.
Yes, rain is my enemy. Last month, it rained so hard, my shoes turned into swimming pools.
I remember. You came into the studio saying, I don't have feet. I have two small aquariums.
That's exactly how it felt. Section 3. Public Transportation Vocabulary. Let's teach our listeners some useful transportation vocabulary.
Great idea. Let's start with public transportation. Public transportation means buses, trains, subways, trams, transportation for everyone.
And a very useful word, commute. Your commute is the trip you take from home to work or school.
Right. For example, my commute is 20 minutes. My commute is terrible. My commute is relaxing.
Section 4. Jack's subway story.
Speaking of commutes, let me tell you about my subway disaster.
Oh no, we love your disasters.
So, I got on the subway, and suddenly it stopped between stations for 25 minutes.
That's horrible already.
Yes, no one knew what was happening. People looked confused, scared, bored, and the man next to me started eating a tuna sandwich. A tuna sandwich on a hot day in a small train car.
No, that is my nightmare.
Mine too. Tuna became the main transportation smell of the day.
Section 5. Emma's bicycle story. I sometimes travel by bicycle, but I'm not very good at it.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, last year, I rang the bicycle bell at the wrong moment. A man thought I was waving at him. He waved back and walked into a lamppost.
Emma, you caused an accident.
He was okay. He laughed too, but I still felt terrible. Section 6. Taxis and ride sharing.
Do you use taxis or Uber?
Sometimes, but I had one very special taxi ride.
Special? Tell me everything.
The driver was singing opera loudly, beautifully, and nonstop.
Opera? Like full la la la?
Exactly. He didn't even stop when I said hello.
That's amazing. I want that taxi.
Section 7. Traffic.
Now let's talk about traffic.
Ah, yes, my enemy, my rival, my nemesis. Traffic ruins my soul.
It really can ruin your day.
And it always happens when you're late. Never when you're early, never when you're relaxed, always when you're running to an important meeting.
Yes, the universe knows.
Section 8. Asking for directions. Let's teach our listeners how to ask for directions. Excuse me, how do I get to? Is this the right way to? Is it far from here? Can I walk there?
And my personal emergency favorite, help, I'm lost.
Section 9. Jack gets lost.
One time I asked for directions. The man said, go straight and turn left. But I heard turn right.
Oh no.
I walked for 15 minutes and ended up inside a bakery. A bakery I didn't need. But I did buy a croissant.
That's not a disaster. That's a blessing. Section 10. Traveling at night. Do you like traveling at night?
Only if I want to feel like I'm in a zombie movie. At night, the bus is so quiet. People look like they're thinking about their taxes.
Section 11. Transportation idioms. Let's teach some idioms. Miss the boat. Be too late for an opportunity. Hit the road. Start traveling or leave. Get the show on the road. Let's begin something. Backseat driver. Someone who gives unwanted advice.
Great expressions, very fun and very useful.
Section 12. Airport experiences.
Let's talk about airports.
Airports. A magical place where time stops and everyone loses their passport for 3 seconds.
Yes, I always check my passport 10 times, then I check it again, even though I know it's there.
Airport security is fun too. You take off your shoes, your jacket, your belt, your dignity.
Yes, and the moment your bag goes through the scanner, you think, wait, do I have something illegal? A dragon? A secret sandwich? A chainsaw?
Yes, even if you have nothing, you still panic.
Oh man.
Section 15. Travel preferences. What's your favorite way to travel long distances?
Train. Definitely the train. It's comfortable, smooth, and I can look out the window and feel philosophical.
Trains are great. I love airplanes, though. They feel exciting.
Yes, but airplane food is, let's say, a surprise every time.
Section 14. Vocabulary review. Let's quickly review today's vocabulary. Public transportation, commute, traffic, transfer, directions, reliable, on time, miss the boat, hit the road, backseat driver.
Excellent words for everyday life.
Section 15. Question of the day. Now it's your turn. How do you usually travel around your city? Tell us in the comments.
Do you prefer walking, buses, trains, cars, taxis, or bikes? We want to know.
Ending. Thank you so much for practicing English with us today. You did an amazing job. Keep going, keep listening, keep learning. You're getting better every day.
We'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.